Create an elegant and straightforward turn signal circuit that allows you to control the direction of the left and right indicator lights with a simple switch. Please like, collect, save, and learn from this tutorial. Begin by preparing a 595 chip. Connect the 8th and 13th pins of the chip, as well as the 10th and 16th pins. Solder a 10K resistor between the 14th and 16th pins. Attach an 8053 stage transistor emitter to the 13th pin. Solder a 10K resistor from the collector and 14th pin. Transistors base to the 9th pin of the chip. With this, your chip circuit is ready. Next, prepare an NE555 timer chip and solder the components as described in the following steps. Finally, combine the power supplies of both chips. Connect the 15th pin of the chip to the indicator light outputs from 1 to 8, respectively. Lead out 2 wires and prepare a set of LED lamp beads and a triangular switch. Solder the negative poles of the 2 rows of indicator lights to the pins on both sides of the switch. Then, sequentially solder the lead-out wires to the positive poles of the indicator lights. Connect the black negative wire to the middle pin of the switch to complete the assembly. The power supply can range from 3.7 to 5 volts. Once powered, the circuit will operate normally, and you can change the direction of the turn signal indicator's flow by toggling the switch. Have you mastered this tutorial?